My favorite invention is the smartphone is who inventor in 12 20 uh, 07 by Apple. The smartphones is very necessary in modern life. It's an asset to communicate, study, ship in formation and entered. I like this invention because it helped me learn online, contact my family, and save a lot of time with smartphone. Life becomes more convenient and easy.